Hello, my name's Carl from TechCare, and today I'd like to share with you this tool that we've created so that you can understand how ready your business is to implement AI. So, this is a scorecard that we've built, and ultimately, it's a series of questions that you'll be able to go through, and it will give you a score at the end. It's a traffic light system, so red, amber, green, just highlighting your readiness for AI based on the series of questions that we've put together. So I'm just going to talk you through this now. It's a completely free scorecard, so you don't have to pay to go through this. It's aimed predominantly at the SME market, small and medium business owners, and specifically those that have maybe dabbled with AI such as ChatGPT and are now looking to go to that next stage of AI and automation in their business. So I'll put the link in the comments below to the scorecard. The first thing that you'll do is complete your name and enter your email address. For total transparency, the email address is used for two purposes. It's to send you a link to the results when you've completed this, and it will also pop into our CRM system to show that you've completed this scorecard. You can stop us from contacting you in the future, but there's also a link at the end of the scorecard to book a quick call, a free call to review the results of the scorecard. So it's useful to have us in the CRM for that purpose, but you can update at any time in the future. So press start, and ultimately, there's a series of questions now that are aimed at non-technical decision makers, so business leaders, executives of businesses, very top level, I would say. So, do you have a clear IT strategy aligned with the business goals? Yes. Has the organisation identified specific areas of workflows where AI could provide value? Let's choose no. Is there a high level plan for how AI tools will be integrated and scaled within the organisation? Maybe not. Is the organisation already using Microsoft 365 products? Yes. Are systems in place for storing, managing, and securing the organisation's data? You could choose maybe there. Is the organisation's network infrastructure capable of handling AI-driven solutions without latency or connectivity issues? You may not know the answer to that one, so choose maybe. Is organisational data well structured, clean, and complete? Maybe. Are there any established data governance policies to ensure data quality and security? Yes. Does the organisation meet data compliance standards that are relevant to its industry? Let's choose maybe for that. Does the current team have experience or familiarity with AI tools? Maybe you've got a few early adopters there. Is there a plan to train and upskill employees to use the AI tools effectively? Yes. Are employees open to adopting AI tools, and does the organisation have a change management plan? Are cybersecurity measures in place to protect data and manage AI-related vulnerabilities? Has the organisation allocated budget for AI tools, including associated costs for infrastructure upgrades? Is there a plan for measuring the return on investment from AI initiatives? And that is all of the questions answered. So you'll see here, we've got an overall score. It's given a score of 70%, a medium readiness at the moment for AI in this particular business case. If you scroll down, you've got the option to talk about your results. And if you choose the book a call now option, that will pop up a diary to book a free 30-minute consultation to review your results. So that's all there is to it. The questions will guide some of the prerequisites that you may need ahead of going forward with your first AI project. And ultimately, we can give you some more guidance at the end of it. But it gives you a summary score of how ready your business may be right now to adopt an AI technology or embark on your first AI project. As I say, I'll put a link to the scorecard down below. Feel free to take that. There's no charge for it. And if you've got any questions, drop me a message. Thank you.